What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So, if you have following our journey, we have covered the theoretical groundwork for agentic AI. Today is the payoff. Our goal today is to connect the dots and move from simply defining function to deploying a fully autonomous sales development representative, that is SDR system that thinks, compare, decides, and executes, all thanks to the Groq SDK. Before we dive into the code for the last time, let's do a quick recap of the two most important architectural concepts that we had covered. Remember this crucial distinction. Our entire automation system relies on understanding these two models. First is agent as tools. This is the familiar model. The sales manager calls a sales agent as a tool. The sales agent does the creative work and returns control and the result, that is the email copy, back to the manager. This is for specialized input. Second is agent handoffs. This is true autonomy. One Once the sales manager picks the best copy, its role is done. It performs a handoff to the email manager. It transfers the entire control of the conversation. The manager doesn't wait for a response. The task is now fully delegated to the next agent. Now let's trace this entire flow back to the code. Followed, we have defined. So first of all, you can see the first function or the code, and this is where our journey begins. We are defining the low-level specialized skill, the subject writer, and the HTML converter. As you can see it in the code, and these are not designed to talk to the user. They are designed to be callable by other agents. By using the .stool method, we signal to the entire system that these are specialized functionality capsules. Our main agents use them like functions, but they are powered by the autonomy of an LLM. Now look at the second code. Let me zoom that so you can visit it clearly. Okay, so now here we can see our second part of the code. And this email manager is the perfect example of a specialist agent that orchestrates its own tools. It doesn't write the content, but it handles all the logistics. First calling the subject tool, second calling the HTML tool, calling the final Python send HTML email functions. Crucially, we give it a clear handoff description. This is the contract it offers to the rest of the system. Give me the raw email body and I will guarantee it gets sent. And finally, the sales manager, the true orchestrator. Its instruction define its autonomy. It doesn't delegate blindly, it executes a strategy. Try all the three sales agents using them as tool to get results back. Judge the best result, and then instead of trying to format and send itself, it executes the full handoff. This separation ensures reliability, modularity, and scalability in our AI system. This is the moment we successfully transition from function calls to full autonomous control flow. So now let's look at the output. Here you can see hi, the prospect name, and this is the email. And as I say that it's going to see the raw email. So here is the raw email, and we have from the first part of this code, I had discussed the Compal AI, that how it's going to help you. So this was the framework of email of sales agent using Groq SDK and SendGrid. Now, so there you have it. You have seen the full picture, the theoretical difference between agent as tools and handoffs, and the concrete Python code that brings a multi-agent autonomous sales system to life. This blueprint is foundational for any complex AI applications, whether you are building a research agent or a dynamic customer support system. If this deep dive helped you understand the power of agent control flow, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to grab the code from the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.